In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your PayPal client ID, secret key, and merchant ID. So first, what you want to do is you want to go and just search here for PayPal developer. And this is just the easiest way to get to it, in my opinion. Go ahead and search for PayPal developer, and it will take you to developer.paypal.com. Here you can then click Get API Credentials, and then you want to go ahead and log into your PayPal business account, which I'm going to do now. Okay, so now I've confirmed my identity and I've logged in. We should then be on the developer dashboard, so here it is. So what you need to do now is you want to go ahead and scroll down and go to API Credentials. From here, you then want to go ahead and change from Sandbox to Live, and what you can do here is Create App. So click Create App, and then give this app a name. So I'm just going to call it Test for YouTube Video, and then Create App. Once you've done that, you'll then see that app. So here is this test app, and here you can get your client ID here, and here is your secret key. Now obviously you can show these or just copy them straight to the clipboard by clicking on these buttons here. Now to get your merchant ID, you want to go ahead and go to your business dashboard, and that should take you into the normal PayPal window. And then from here, you want to go to your name in the top right, go to account settings, then you want to go to business information. And here you'll see obviously your business name and your PayPal merchant ID, which I will have blurred out. So that's how you can find everything. Hope that video was quick and helped you out.